Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D2 chapter number 6 exercise 6a, that is about algebraic fractions. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand that you should have the grasp on methods and types of factorization for better understanding of this lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss question number 2 basic level that says simplify each of the following. First part of the question is xy plus 3y upon 4x plus 12. If you look at the numerator, y is the common factor here, and if you look at the denominator, 4 is the common factor. So what we have to do, first it's better to rewrite the question xy plus 3y upon 4x plus 12. From the numerator, pull out y, which is a common factor, and inside the bracket I will left with x plus 3. Coming to the denominator, 4 and 12, table of 4 is suitable for 12 3 times, so extract 4 out and inside the bracket I will left with x plus 3. Now this x plus 3 is the common expression. We can cancel it and we will left with y by 4. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 8a plus 4b upon bc plus 2ac. First, write the question again. 8a plus 4b upon bc plus 2ac. After writing the question, think about that which method of simplification will be suitable for the numerator and denominator. If you look at the numerator, we can see that 4 and 8, table of 8 can come in table of 4, so I can extract 4 out. Factorization by extracting common factor 4, and inside the bracket I will left with 2a plus b. Coming to the denominator, bc plus 2ac, c is the common factor. Extract it out, pull it out, c into b plus, from the first place I am left with b, and from the second place I will left with 2a. If we look at the 2a plus b factor in the denominator and numerator, we can see both the terms inside the bracket are same, but they are not in the same order. So it's better before simplification to rearrange the expression inside the bracket. So what we will be doing, we are rearranging the bracket in the denominator as both the terms are positive. So the transformation of one term from one place to another place inside the bracket will not make any change in the sign. Now I have 2a plus b common factor. I can cancel it and my answer will be 4 by c. I hope this question is easy and clear to you. Let's quickly move to the next question. The next question is a square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab upon 6a. Look at the numerator. Numerator is the sum of two terms, and we can extract a from the numerator, and when I am extracting a out, inside the bracket from the first place I will left with a plus 2b upon, this is 6a. A will be going with this a and my answer will be a plus 2b upon 6. Very easy and very simple question. You should just have the command on the method of factorization and then the exercise will not be difficult for you. Moving to the next part. The next part is c square upon c square minus c. First write the question again. C square upon c square minus cd. Now my numerator is containing single term, but the denominator has two terms, and I can see that from c square and cd I can extract c out, and inside the bracket I will left with, as from c square I have taken out c minus d. Now I can apply the quotient law of indices with same basis. So what I will be doing, I will be writing the numerator, I will be writing the base ones, and I have to subtract the index according to the division law or quotient law of indices with same basis, and I will have c2 minus 1, which is equal to c only upon c minus d. Coming to the next question. Next question is m minus n whole square upon m square minus mn. Now what I have to do, I have to write my numerator as it is, m minus n whole square. If you look at the denominator, I can extract m as a common factor, and inside the bracket at first place I will left with m minus n. Now I can see that m minus n and m minus n whole square are like terms. We can take m minus n as the base, and here we have to apply the quotient law of indices with same basis, and my question will take the form m minus n. 2 minus 1 will give me 1 upon m. I hope the question is clear to you. Let's move to the next question. The next question is 5pq into 15p minus 10pq. Okay, the numerator is single term, that is the product of 5p and q. Looking at the denominator 5pq, I have two terms. Now what I have to do, I have to think that from numbers I can extract 5 out, and from letters I can extract p out. From 15 I have taken out 5, so what will be left inside the bracket? 5 3s are 15 minus 2, and p is out, and this is q. Now 5 will be going with 5 and p will be cancelled with p, and my answer will be q upon 3 minus 2q. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.